So here we have defined three functions. You can see we have defined function 1, function 2, and function 3. And note one thing, we also have defined async keyword before declaration of that particular function. So basically this async keyword will change the behavior of the entire function to asynchronous. Then we have defined this particular main function. You can see in this particular main function, we have called all these three functions. You can see that we have called the main function with the help of asyncio.run, and inside which we have declared the main function. So the control will go in this particular main function, which is asynchronous function, which we have defined it with the keyword async. And inside this, we have written some piece of code, and it is nothing but asyncio.gather, and inside which we have written all these three functions. We have called these three functions. So basically this gather function is going to concurrently execute all these three functions, and none of the function has to wait for the other function to get completely executed, unlike the normal way what we do in Python. So here you can see that function 1, function 2, and function 3 will start executing parallelly, and whichever function executes first, it will print its output. So here you can see in the function 1, whatever we have defined, here we have defined asyncio.sleep for 1 second. So this is just same as the time.sleep function, in which we define the number of seconds that particular function has to wait. And this particular statement is initiated with the keyword await. This await keyword will suspend the execution of this particular coroutine until it completes and return the result. Satisfies, that means until the 1 second gets completes, it will not print this particular statement. After 1 second, it will print this particular statement first. After that, the control might go to the function 2 or function 3. If it goes in the function 2, it has to wait for 4 seconds. After that, it can print the word second. But in function 3, you can see that there is only a lapse of 1 second. That is why here after 1 second, the word third will be printed. And by that time, this 4 second will get completed, and then the word second will get printed. So if I show you the result, it will be something like this. So here you can see the word first, third has got printed first, and then the word second has got printed, because here the program is not waiting for every single function sequentially in what order we have given over here. It is going to print the output of only those functions which are executing first. So here the output is something like this. That's all. So here in this particular meme also you can see that this particular process is process 1, and this particular girl dancing on the stage is process 2. So here you can see the process 1 is on hold for some reason, but still this process 2, that is the girl, is still dancing even if the process 1 is busy. That is what is the meaning of asynchronous programming. So I hope now you understood what exactly it is and how we can get it in Python language.